know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge.
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an exciting one because I'm finally cleaning and decluttering both my kitchen and refrigerator. I typically clean out my fridge once a month and it's been a hot minute since I've cleaned and organized my kitchen. So I'm excited to share my method of organizing and what items I use in order to achieve the organization look I was striving for. If you're like me and need to tackle this, write it down in your to-do list and get ready for some serious motivation. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I upload videos every Friday around motherhood, home decor, military, in general, just a lot of lifestyle content, and as of recently, reviews on different Netflix series. So if you're into that, then this is the channel for you. And you can also follow me on Instagram. That's where I am at every single day, and you can just watch our day-to-day life. Okay, I don't know about you, but I'm the type of person who gets overwhelmed easily by a ton of mess. So for my small kitchen, I like to designate each cabinet a specific category. Whether that's cups, plates, pans, or pots, each cabinet is assigned a job. The same applies to my refrigerator. It's pretty small, so I like to maximize each level in space by assigning it a specific category. As you've been watching, I did clear out all of my cabinets, wipe them down, and I did line them with some liner that I got from TJ Maxx. The first one was about $3.99, and as you saw, I did run out of it. So I went back and got another one that was 15 feet for about $7.99 if I'm not mistaken. I also cleared out my cabinet where I have a bunch of kitchen towels. I threw out ones that were already old or just had a bunch of stain and just kept the ones that looked a little bit more new and just added a little bit more space. I want to give you an overhaul and a before and after of my fridge. It could be worse, but I hate how it looks right now. I just dislike how it is. Anybody else find it really hard to get to those nooks and crannies of your refrigerator, or is it just me? Luckily, I got a brand new attachment that I can use to clean out those surfaces, so I'm so excited to use that. As you can see, I did struggle to put back this piece underneath the glass. It is always so difficult and annoying to put back that sometimes I just dread the fact that I have to clean my fridge for this sole purpose. Here, I'm just lining the drawers with some liner and I'm putting back all of our cleaned fruits and vegetables in here. I did get the liner from TJ Maxx as well. Obviously with TJ Maxx, I can't link down all of the items that I did purchase, but I can link some stuff that are similar from Amazon if you like. I will have it all down in the description bar for you. The following day, I did purchase groceries and I washed all of our fruits and vegetables with some water and distilled white vinegar. And let me tell you, it cleaned them out so well. You are about to see the dirt that came out of these things.
You're like an ocean without land, not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it, so cold yet warm. When you hold me, when you close, I know, I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
Okay, so I thought that the grapes and tomatoes didn't have as much dirt as the strawberries. I was wrong. Take a look. I don't know if you guys can see it. Maybe I swirl it around a bit, but like, ew. All of that in the tomatoes and grapes. Disgusting. This is what my cabinet looks like right now. It needs to be organized because it's a hot mess.
Really distant, but your beam is guiding me home. So cold yet warm. When you hold me, when you close, I know, I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
This is the final look for the fridge, and I love how everything is organized and how it turned out. I kind of color coded things right here, like blues and purples together, yellows and reds, and then like greens and clear together. But I do love how these bins just kind of keep everything organized. So all of the fruits and vegetables are washed. So I have already cut here some celery, carrots, then I have here a tomato and some lemons. Of course, I have peppers. I did also use like a white Sharpie or a chalk marker to write on these bins, just to let everybody know, my husband, what's in each container here. So we have grapes and strawberries, and then there's blueberries in the back, and then over here we have some leeks, and then we have these egg container, which I love a lot. And over here I kind of dedicated everything to kind of like cheeses and deli meats. Up here we have apple sauces and yogurts, some juice, milk, and then I found this cute little container that I showed you guys earlier in the video, hopefully, of a avocado container so that you can store your avocados. Then I have here some mushrooms, butter. I just love how everything is just in sight and organized, so I know where everything is, and it just makes everything a lot easier to see. So this is an overview of what the cabinets look like right now. It's much more organized than it was at the beginning of this. In the first row in this cabinet, we have the plates and onion storage, cups, and then Riley sippy cups and a few bottles here. In the second row we have food containers, bowls, a pitcher, and some more sippy cups, and then I have protein shake blenders as well as a tumbler. And of course, up in the last row I have items that we don't use daily, like a cake stand and then a charcuterie board. I think that's how you pronounce it. I have it up there because we don't use it that often. Over here I love how the spices turned out. I love how it's just much more organized, and I know where everything is because I did alphabetize everything. And then here I can just see where everything is, like the hot sauce, the coconut spray, ketchup, soy sauce, etc. Up here I just have extra stuff like extra coffee, cookie cutters, and then baking sheets. Over here we did minimal organizing. I just have parchment paper, aluminum foil, some batteries, and then things for my new steam mop. Down in this one we have all of our kitchen towels, and then the last two are dedicated to pots and pans. That is it for this kitchen and fridge organization video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below if you're going to reorganize your kitchen or if you're going to get anything that I showed in this video. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!